Welcome to Learn with us. In today's video, we are diving into chemical reactions as part of the ICSE Class 8 Chemistry syllabus based on the Concise Chemistry Selina textbook. Exercise 1. Let's start. Here's question 1a. Define a chemical reaction. Answer. A chemical reaction is any change in matter that results in the formation of one or more new substances with completely different properties. Next question, B. What happens during a chemical reaction? Answer. A chemical reaction happens when the bonds between atoms in the reacting substances break and rearrange to form new bonds, creating new substances. This process usually involves energy being absorbed or released as heat or light. Question C. What do you understand by a chemical bond? Answer. A chemical bond is the attractive force that holds the atoms of a molecule together in a compound. Next question 2. Give one example each that illustrates the following characteristics of a chemical reaction. A. Evolution of a gas. B. Change of color. C. Change in state. In many chemical reactions, one of the products formed is a gas. For example, when zinc reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, hydrogen gas is evolved with noticeable effervescence or bubbling. The reaction can be represented as Zn plus H2SO4 dilute gives ZnSO4 plus H2 gas. Next question. Answer is, certain chemical reactions are characterized by a change in the color of the reactants. For example, when a few pieces of iron are dropped into a blue-colored copper sulfate solution, the blue color of the solution fades and turns light green. This color change indicates a chemical reaction, where iron displaces copper from the solution. Next answer, for change in state, in many chemical reactions, a change of state is observed. Ammonia and hydrogen chloride gases react to produce a white solid of ammonium chloride. Next question number 3. How do the following help in bringing about a chemical change? Explain each with a suitable example. A. Pressure. B. Light. C. Catalyst. D. Heat. Answer A. For pressure. Some chemical reactions take place when the reactants are subjected to high pressure. Example, when nitrogen and hydrogen gas are subjected to high pressure, ammonia gas is produced. Reaction explanation. In this reaction, nitrogen gas N2 reacts with hydrogen gas H2 to form ammonia NH3 conditions. This reaction requires specific conditions, a temperature of around 450 degrees Celsius and a high pressure of about 200 atmospheres. Under these conditions, nitrogen and hydrogen combine to produce ammonia. Answer for B. Light. Some chemical reactions can take place only in the presence of light and are called photochemical reactions. Example, photosynthesis is a chemical reaction in which glucose is prepared by the green leaves of a plant, but light is necessary for the reaction to take place. Reaction explanation. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide, represented as 6CO2, combines with water, 6H2O, in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Product formation. This reaction produces glucose, written as C6H12O6, along with oxygen, represented as 6O2 conditions. The energy from sunlight powers this reaction, while chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants, acts as a catalyst. Answer C. For catalyst. Some chemical reactions need a catalyst to change the rate of reaction if the reaction is too slow or too fast. Positive catalyst increases the rate of chemical reaction, whereas negative catalyst decreases the rate of reaction. Finely divided iron is used as a positive catalyst in the manufacture of ammonia from hydrogen and oxygen. Reaction explanation. In this reaction, nitrogen gas, represented as N2, combines with hydrogen gas, H, to produce ammonia, NH3 conditions. To make this reaction effective, specific conditions are required: a pressure range of 200 to 900 atmospheres, a temperature around 450 degrees Celsius, and an iron catalyst. Answer D. For heat. Some chemical reactions take place only in the presence of heat. Explanation. For example, if iron powder and sulfur powder are simply mixed together, they do not react. However, when this mixture is heated, a chemical reaction occurs, producing iron sulfide reaction equation. The reaction can be represented as Fe plus S, when heated, gives FeS. Now move to question number 4. A. Define catalyst. B. What are 1. Positive catalysts and 2. Negative catalysts? Support your answer with one example for each of them. C. Name 3 biochemical catalysts found in the human body. Answer. A. A catalyst is a substance that either increases or decreases the rate of a chemical reaction without itself undergoing any chemical change during the reaction. Answer. B1. Positive catalyst. When a catalyst increases the rate of a chemical reaction, it is known as a positive catalyst. For example, finely divided iron acts as a positive catalyst in the manufacture of ammonia from hydrogen and nitrogen. In this process, iron speeds up the reaction, making the production of ammonia more efficient. Answer. B2. Negative catalyst. When a catalyst decreases the rate of a chemical reaction, it is known as a negative catalyst. For example, phosphoric acid acts as a negative catalyst by slowing down the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. In this case, phosphoric acid helps stabilize the hydrogen peroxide, preventing it from breaking down too quickly. Answer. C. The 3 biochemical catalysts found in the human body are amylase, trypsin, pepsin. Next question 5. What do you observe when A. Dilute sulfuric acid is added to granulated zinc? Answer. Bubbles of hydrogen gas are released called effervescence, and the zinc gradually dissolves, forming a colorless solution of zinc sulfate. Next question 5. What do you observe when B. A few pieces of iron are dropped in a blue solution of copper sulfate? Answer. The solution gradually changes from blue to green as iron displaces copper from copper sulfate, forming iron sulfate. A reddish-brown deposit of copper is also seen on the surface of the iron. Next question. What do you observe when silver nitrate is added to a solution of sodium chloride? Answer. A white precipitate of silver chloride is formed immediately. Next question. What do you observe when ferrous sulfate solution is added to an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide? Answer. A dirty green precipitate of ferrous hydroxide is formed. Next question. What do you observe when solid lead nitrate is heated? Answer. It decomposes, releasing brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide, NO2, and a yellow residue of lead oxide, PbO, is left behind. Next question. What do you observe when dilute sulfuric acid is added to barium chloride solution? Answer. A white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. For balancing, wait for next video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Your support means a lot to us. See you in the next one.